What time is it? It's science time.
Oh, it's science, science, science time. Let's all stop and just unwind. 1, 2, 3, 4, here we go. Learn so much your brain explodes. Lessons so cool, so fresh. Beat so big you'll lose your breath. Learning facts and real cool stuff. Scream for more, keep getting up. It's science time. It's fun, you best believe. Explore and learn new things. Come and join me, please.
I'm Mr. C, and this super smart group is my science crew. Working together with my crew makes learning so much fun. Actually, you should join us. Let's give science a try with a simple DIY.
Today, we're talking about cellular respiration. What time is it? It's science time.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to DIY Science Time. My name is Mr. C, and I'm so happy that you're here to be part of our crew today. Today, we're talking about making energy, and our bodies do that through cellular respiration. So, we're gonna head back to the studio and get ready for an awesome day of learning because you, me, and the other crew members, we're gonna have a blast doing some science today. Let's get to it. Later.
Take a deep breath and get ready to expand your lungs and your mind. Today we're building a model that's going to show us how your lungs work. You'll need to gather the following materials: scissors, a balloon, small straws, big straws, clay, tape, a cup, a 1-liter bottle with cap, plus you'll want to grab your breathtakingly brilliant science notebook.
A science notebook is a tool that every scientist should have because it gives us a place to record all of our learning. Taking notes and being organized allows us to be better scientists. A science notebook allows us to go back and review all of the data and information we've gathered during our experiments. Plus, it allows us to share results with other scientists who might be interested in learning more about what we've discovered. Whenever you see the notebook pop up on the screen, like this, it's a reminder that this is a good place for us to jot down new information during the show. I've already added a title and a list of materials for today's activity, but our crew is still going to have lots of information to collect and organize as we go through our experiments. Most importantly, the more you use a science notebook, the better you'll get at taking notes and recording data. If you don't have a science notebook already, download a copy of Mr. C's science notebook from the website.
Breathe in, breathe out. That's your body taking super deep breaths, getting oxygen after you go out for a jog or a run. And today we're gonna be building a lung model, which allows us to see how your lungs actually function. See, what's super cool is you take an air through your mouth or your nose, and it goes down into the trachea, and it goes into 2 branches and then into your lungs. Your diaphragm pulls down, and it causes your lungs to expand and pull in air. And then when it pushes back up, you breathe back out. So, we're gonna use this bottle to represent our body, some balloons to represent our lungs, and these straws to represent our trachea and the branches that get to the lungs. Let's get to building, and let's breathe a little easier knowing we're gonna have a model here that represents our lungs. First thing, we're gonna take a drill or a pair of scissors, we're gonna cut a hole right down here into this. So once you have that drilled, we're gonna see if our straw fits in. And it does. It's nice and snug. Now, we're gonna take our straws here, we're gonna cut off the bendy parts. And then we're going to insert our straws into thicker straw, just like that. Trachea, and then your 2 little branches going off to each of your lungs. But what we're going to do is take one of the balloons, cut off the neck. So we're gonna put 1 balloon onto one of our straws. Then we're gonna take another balloon onto one of our straws. We need to tape our branches off into our trachea as well. There we go. And that should now hold it, hopefully. Okay, so we're gonna put this into this here in just a moment, but we need to cut this bottom off of this bottle. Now you can use a bottle for this, or if you only have a plastic cup, you can do it. The same thing would work. And now what we're going to do, we're going to push this up here through here. So now we have our 2 lungs, and then we're going to put this back down here onto the lid.